like a handheld one. Oh, yep. Get everything moving there, huh? Your flat massage. Can I have the baby bassinet thingy just because, you know, we don't need babies rolling off. Yeah. Oh.
Hi, pretty girl. Hey. Hi, pretty girl.
Yeah, where are you going? Professional baby entertainers.
Alligator.
Professional baby entertainers.
Tickle, tickle, tickle. Tickle, tickle, tickle.
So her whole left side
Tickle, tickle, tickle,
is
tickle.
shifted out of place.
Tickle,
Okay,
tickle, tickle,
all of
tickle,
it.
tickle.
Okay, let's flip it over.
Let's flip her over.
Is that why she probably doesn't really like tummy time, like
Hi.
much at all?
No, yeah.
Hi. Hi. What are you doing in here? What are we doing? That looks good. You are nice and strong. Look at this. Look at that. Mandy's going to keep entertaining you with the alligator. She's going to keep entertaining you with the alligator. What's the alligator? What's that? Alligator. What's that? Baby alligator. Just like baby.
Move it to in front of her.
Look at that. Yeah.